Like
Yeah.
my few of my friends have a huge body count. I have only body count of like only 50. Experience matters after all. जैसे मेरा जो ex था, उसको हर चीज़ सिखाना पड़ता था. He was even not good at kissing my ass.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ अर्बन टॉक्स। आज हम लोगों से उनके न्यू ईयर प्लान्स के बारे में पूछने वाले हैं। ये जानने वाले हैं दैट व्हाट्स द बिगेस्ट लाइफ लेसन दे हैव लर्नड दिस ईयर, व्हाट्स द बिगेस्ट लाई दे हैव टोल्ड देमसेल्व्स दिस ईयर। कम ऑन, लेट्स सी व्हाट पीपल हैव टू से। Wow, that looks like an interesting man. Let's see what he has to say. Excuse me.
Hi.
Hi.
I was just talking to these green. These are so boring colors for the leaf, you know.
Okay.
I mean, I was just saying them. The color of the year is lilac, and they are still green. What is this? Yeah, baby, you're saying something.
Yeah, can we ask you a few questions? We're making a
Yeah,
video.
of course. Why not? Everybody's making videos these days.
Yeah.
Even I make videos.
Oh, what kind?
Yeah, I
Can
don't
I see it
know.
on Instagram?
Of course, I'll give you my Instagram. Me and
Okay.
my boyfriend shares the same account.
Good.
So don't get over my boyfriend, okay?
I'm straight. I'm straight.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay. Oh, what's the ideal number of body count for a man today?
Like it can vary from people to people, you know. Like
Yeah.
my few of my friends have a huge body count. But I am a kind of reserved person. So I have only body count of like only 50. बट बहुत कम भी नहीं होना चाहिए बिकॉज एक्सपीरियंस मैटर्स आफ्टर ऑल. सो जैसे मेरा जो एक्स था उसका बॉडी काउंट वाज ओनली 20. उसको हर चीज़ सिखाना पड़ता था. लाइक ही डिडंट नो हाउ टू किस. ही वाज इवन नॉट गुड एट किसिंग माय एस. और मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है अगर मेरी आंखें कोई चूमे. It feels very romantic. It feels very cheeky biggy kind of. So I like that.
So, what's your plan for the New Year's?
Nothing much, but I think I'll be with my boyfriend and we'll have some fun together.
Okay.
He loves really going down, so he craves for that. He insists me to go down. So we'll be exploring down South India. I really love these places down South India. So
Oh.
we'll be there this New Year.
Okay, good. So, what's your biggest resolution for the coming New Year?
See, my biggest resolution for this year is that I'm going to completely focus on my health and fitness.
Yeah.
I'm
Great.
going to prioritize my health.
Okay.
For this, even I have purchased the gym membership for the whole year.
Wow, amazing.
So this is I'm going to do. I have promised myself also that I'm not going to touch alcohol. I'm going to refrain from it.
Amazing.
Like not for the 31st night.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
fine.
that's celebration. So
yeah.
let's remove that from calendar and
Makes
let's stick to the other part. So after that, I'm not going to sip a single drop of alcohol
Right.
without
Right.
Coke. It's not good for health. It's not healthy anyways.
So, what's that one thing you hope changes in your life this year?
My boyfriend, actually his habit. He has this habit. He has the habit of buying me expensive gifts
Oh.
every weekend.
Oh, wow.
And I'm like, I want this weekend to come every day. So this thing, if we could change from the calendar so that we can have weekend every day,
Yeah.
I just want to change this, so that I can have expensive gifts from a boyfriend every day. I love my boyfriend. He's too sweet.
Wow. So, what's the biggest lesson you've learned this year?
See, I've learned this year that miracle is possible, magic is possible.
Wow.
Know,
lovely.
magic is believable. You should believe magic.
Yeah.
Like last year, I was in a fair, Gaon Ka Mela.
Oh, haha.
I was there and there was this person doing some magic. He was like, इस टोपी से कबूतर निकाल दूंगा, इस चड्डी को फूल बना दूंगा, इस बंदा को बंदी बना दूंगा. And I was like so much shocked to see this and I just ran away. Come on.
Okay. What's the biggest lie you've told yourself this year?
I don't know about the biggest lie, but I just want to advise people that be delusional.
Delulu is the only solution.
Yeah, just be delusional. लोग कुछ भी बोलेंगे. They will say ये ऐसा दिखता है, ये वैसा दिखता है. But don't listen to them, okay? मुझे लोग आके बोलते रहते हैं, like they used to say me कि मैं बहुत manly दिखता हूँ. I look too manly. I wear clothes which make me look more manly, more macho. And I say, so what? you can't stereotype me for certain things, you know. You can't
Yeah.
do that to me.
Yeah.
इनफैक्ट मैं तो कभी कभी गर्लिश भी फील करता हूँ, बट दैट्स मी. मैं तो
Yeah.
कभी कभी ऐसे लड़कियों के कपड़े पहन के भी बाहर निकल जाता हूँ. नॉट टुडे, बट समटाइम्स ऑफ कोर्स, व्हाई नॉट.